Use this method if the color print quality is poor or if the color differs from what you see on your screen. Press this button. All settings, printer, color correction. You have three options. If the color print quality is poor, press Correction Start. Press Yes. The color correction starts automatically. It will take a few minutes. On Finished, press Home button. If the output color differs from what you see on your screen, try resetting your machine's color correction settings. Press Reset. Press Yes. Completed. If you want your machine to automatically perform color alignment after calibrating the colors, turn on the auto correction function. Press this button, auto correction on, then press Home button.